Hey, it's Rhonda here. Haven't been live in a couple weeks again, so I wanted to jump on here and share a quick tip about TikTok with you guys that I just learned. So I just started trying it out. Gonna see how it goes, but I've heard other people and other creators saying really good things about it, so I'm excited about it. And I wanted to share with you guys right away. So I also tried a new feature on this video. If you didn't see it, if you guys have a group, you might want to try it out. If you want to get more people to see a post or see a certain video that you post, you can tag everybody in your group in it. So check out what I did in the description, and if you have your own group, you can utilize that for your own group. But anyways, on to my tip of the day for you guys. So this tip is super easy, and the whole idea is to get you more views on your TikTok videos. A lot of people, a lot of creators are getting stuck on TikTok, right? They're getting around 200 to 300 views. Seems to be that norm that people are getting stuck at. And it's kind of annoying, right? You spend all this time making these videos and it seems like you're not getting much traction. So who wants more views on their videos? I know I sure do. So here's my tip. It's really, really simple. When you post a new video on TikTok, I want you to go back into your settings and change it to friends only. Leave it that way for about 24 hours because hopefully when you're on TikTok, your friends that you're friends with on TikTok will interact with that. You're going to get more likes and you're going to get more comments and hopefully more shares from your friends than just having it go out onto the general FYP, if it does at all, right? But anyways, set it to friends only, leave it that way to generate more activity on that video for the first 24 hours, then go back into settings and then change it to public. Now it's going to show TikTok that video's got all kinds of engagement and they're going to shoot it out to the FYP even more, which will get you more views on it. So try out this tip. Let me know if you've heard about it. Let me know if it works for you. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'm going to be trying this out also. So hope you enjoy this tip of the day and have a great day today. I'll talk to you guys soon.